Thank you so much. God bless.
Take care. All right, time to check weather.
Well, thank you. And check this out. The worst of Irma is out of our hair now. It is continuing to work its way across the Big Bend towards Georgia now. But for us, conditions will continue to improve for Southwest Florida as we go throughout your Monday. So we're going to see those winds die down just a bit. And we're going to see a little bit more of that sunshine, less rain today. And then we're going to be back into what we normally expect for the month of September starting tomorrow. But check this out. Irma, still a tropical storm. It was a Category 1 by the time it made its way towards Orlando. It has weakened gradually, and 65-mile-per-hour winds sustained at. Pressure now at 975 millibars as it continues a north-northwest track at 17 miles per hour there. So it's continuing to work its way across Georgia, going into Alabama, passing Mississippi, all the way into Arkansas and even parts of western Tennessee. We'll see some rain and some lighter winds, not the winds that we saw yesterday. Yesterday we had a wind gust reported at 142 miles per hour for Naples as Hurricane Irma was passing, but now that it's a tropical system, it will again continue to weaken back into a depression by Tuesday early morning, and then by Wednesday we're going to be done with it completely. We're not going to be talking about Irma anymore, and it will not be affecting anyone else in the southeast or south part of the United States at all. But you can still see it was a very big hurricane. It affected pretty much all of South Florida. My parents in Miami, they didn't have power since Friday evening going into all day Saturday and yesterday. Today finally got power back for Southwest Florida. A lot of us lost power yesterday evening when the storm was approaching our area. It made landfall again over the Keys, and then another Florida landfall over Marco Island, and that was yesterday around 3 p.m. So you can see how massive this hurricane was, and continuing again that northerly track. Since it was so inland, we were lucked out with the storm surge that we could have seen, but a lot of you probably saw the water receding, and that's something again that we get with some of these tropical systems. But out of our hair now, like I mentioned, and we're going to start to see conditions really just improve for us. We still have a few feeder bands left behind there, drawing in that rain, moving their way from south, going north and eastward. So a few showers passing over Lake Okeechobee, Lake Placid, still seeing some of that rain. LaBelle, same story for you. So if you guys still have roof damage, don't want to take off the tarps just yet for today, because we are going to see those scattered showers as you go throughout your day and even into your early evening hours. Tomorrow we're looking at a better chance to see some isolated rain for the area, but today again Immokalee seeing some of that light shower activity, even from North Fort Myers and also Cape Coral getting a few downpours as well. So keep that in mind, keep the umbrella nearby, and then better conditions for your Tuesday, Wednesday, even into Thursday. We're looking at a better chance for some isolated storms later in the day. But the big story is after the winds, the rain, we're dealing with a storm surge. So you have your normal tides, and then you have, after the hurricane passes, storm surge. So you have some areas still seeing about 3 feet above average for your normal tides, and that's in Collier County. We're seeing that water continue to fall. In Lee County, 3 feet above average, so it's pretty steady there still. And for Charlotte and Sarasota counties, currently at 2 feet above. So rising very slowly, but we are going to be monitoring this all throughout the day until everything gets back to normal with the tides. Temperatures, on the other hand, we've lost Fort Myers there. Naples, that has been down, Immokalee down, but you can see a lot cooler than what we are normally at this time of the day because of that rain and the clouds sticking around. 82 for Palmdale, we have 84 degrees in Sebring, 83 in Clewiston, even Punta Gorda at 83 degrees. Highs today though, the good thing is, if a lot of you still do not have power, highs today, instead of being in the mid to upper 90s, will be well into the mid to upper 80s. Clouds lingering around, wind continuing out of the southwest, the breeziest time. Right now, we're going to see those winds calm down as we go throughout your overnight hours. We're still going to see winds up to 15 to 20, even 25 miles per hour for your morning and afternoon. Scattered showers still within the forecast. Overnight, looking a lot more quiet as Irma continues to spiral and work its way again over into the southeast. So it's going to be affecting, again, bringing that rain into Alabama, even into parts of Tennessee as you go throughout your Tuesday. But as for us, looking a lot better. We're going to see that summer-like trend continue tomorrow. So winds out of the southwest, like I mentioned, up to 30 miles per hour. Sunset near 7:36 p.m. Temperatures mid to upper 80s there. 87 for Lehigh Acres, right around 84 for Marco Island for the high. Temperatures, like I mentioned, will be back into the 90s.